What's up, everybody? Then I'm gonna show you another trick, but my collection of gimmick cards that I make myself. Well, I don't like to use bicycle decks because they're a waste. So I just find these cards. They're Australian Viennas, and well, I use them for gimmicks. I have full decks, so I can use them. Okay, so first off we have the Ace of Clubs with a half back. Okay, and it's blue back, so it can be used. Okay, second up you have this. Well, this is pretty cool because you can put a card behind it and cover it with the other. Then till then you just take out the red card, don't look at it, the middle card, and it turns out to be a blue card, so it's pretty cool. And it's also a flap, so you can move it. Second up, the Jack of Hearts, covered. It's similar to the other. Well, here we have the Ace of Hearts, but if you just cover it like this, you just tell them, hey, you have a red card over here, okay? You're just gonna magically turn it over and it's a blue card. Now, this is pretty cool, look. It's Jack of Diamonds or D 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 club, 8 of clubs. Hey, Ace of Hearts or 4 of Hearts? Can't get it. Hey, this is Jack of Spades or Jack of Clubs? Oops. Well, he lost his... He really lost weight, didn't he? I can't find the meaning of this though. I didn't do this, my friend did. He told me, can you do a trick out of this? Couldn't figure it out. And this, also my friend did it. 4 fours in one card. Looks pretty cool. And this one, I did it. It's pretty cool. See, I only wasted 2 cards. Now this is just a design. I do it for fun. It's really cool because I had nothing to do. Well, this is one of the coolest because you can show that you have many cards, but you flip it over, it's one card. See, but it's not that good right now. Okay, because it's new and hasn't dried yet. Well, this has meaning. It's pretty cool. Look, you can show some cards with it. You show them just the edge and tell them it's a red card. Well, it's really a blue card, and you can flip it over and tell them it's even a double-sided card. Half red, half blue card. Hey, King of Clubs or 10 of Clubs? Actually, King of Spades or 10 of Clubs. Just on the back is like this. This is like double-sided, but even cooler. One of my favorites. Hey, King of Spades with the belly of the Queen of Spades. Really has it bigger now. Here, the 3 of Hearts, but the hearts are so bright. They came at the back. What do you think about this? Looks normal, doesn't it? That's not. This one also lost its tummy. Well, this has no sense. Couldn't figure this one out myself. My friend did this, told me maybe it has meaning, but couldn't figure it out. This, I think it's pretty cool. It looks like an 8, but it's a 10. Well, it's an 8, but it looks like a 10. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got 4 with an incredible back design. Queen of Spades, missing buff, and King of Spades. Now this says it's a Ace of Diamonds or 4 of Hearts. Hey, look at the 3 of Spades. Now this 5 of Hearts is half done. This is pretty much identical. Sorry, my little brother played darts with this. Now this is seemingly to this, but it's just face down, face up, face down, face up, face down, face up. This is half queen, also half queen, but a little different. But do you get that? Yeah? This one's pretty cool. You can put two cards here and just tell them the two of hearts, and put a card here and tell them it's the two of hearts too. Now, hey, King of Hearts has gone missing. But Ten of Spades, only the pips have gone missing. Four of Spades, but with blue and red back. Can you figure this one out? See the difference? It says the Seven of Spades, but looks like Seven of Clubs. Hey, there are the Seven of Clubs. Hey, look at that. Nine of Diamonds, Nine of Clubs. Hey, and my king is really shy, you see. He won't come out. But he's marking the card, so you can keep track of him. Now, can you guess this one out? Well, this is the body of the Jack of Diamonds, but it says Jack of Clubs. Half Jack of Clubs, half Jack of Spades. Well, this one's pretty cool. It's barely noticeable. If I just wave it like this, it's barely noticeable. We have the King of Diamonds and I will say it on the back. I have a lot of these because I really like them. Hey, where did the Queen of Spades center go? Hey, it's right here at the back. Can you notice this one? Can you notice it? Can't? It is. This is the Six of Hearts. This is the Nine of Hearts actually. Well, this is one of the coolest. It's double back, but red and blue. Now this is the Four of Diamonds, but only three. This is similar to the other. I can't find it because I have a big pile of them. It's pretty cool. This, can you notice this one? Can you notice it? The Queen of Hearts and Queen of Diamonds. And look, King of Clubs and King of Clubs. Could fool people with this. Jack of Clubs is missing its tips, but they're right here actually. Five of Diamonds or Four of Diamonds. Double backed. Double backed red. Three of Diamonds and Three of Clubs. Now this is one of my favorites actually. Pretty cool, huh? It's thick, but it's pretty cool. Can you notice it? The Queen of Diamonds to the Queen of Hearts. And the Queen of Clubs to the Queen of Diamonds. And, well, do you see anything wrong with this King of Hearts? Yeah, you don't see anything, but under that is the King of Diamonds. And now, my favorite one, the Jack of Clubs who wanted to be the King of Clubs. Hope you like my gimmicks. See you next time.